kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today we are drawing a cute motor grader. Draw two big round eyes. Then add a happy smiling mouth. Now draw the front window around the face. Next, draw the roof of the driver's cabin. Then draw the side window and the outline of the cabin. Next, add the mirrors and the headlights. Now draw the engine compartment behind the cabin. Draw the long arm extending to the front of the grader. Next, draw the front support and the front wheels. Then draw the large grading blade under the middle of the grader. Then draw the four rear wheels. Now add the rear ripper at the back of the grader. Finally, draw the ground with some dirt and small rocks around the grader. Now, it's time to color! Color the body of the grader bright yellow. Use dark gray and black for the engine. Use light blue for the windows. Color the blades silver or dark brown. Color the tires black and the wheel rims yellow. You can also add a little shading to make the grader look more realistic. Use light brown for the ground and dark brown for the dirt piles. And done! Your cute motor grader is ready! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next drawing. Bye!